Hi everyone, good morning. So this is our science lesson, alright? And for our science lesson today, we are going to do another experiment. Okay, so this lesson you will not be doing the experiment. The teacher will conduct the experiment. So Miss Mac will show you how to do the experiment. You need to watch it carefully and you have to record in your experiment sheet. Right? So let's see. This picture, for this lesson, you will watch the experiment and you need to predict. Alright, what happens if you put like 4 different colors, green, blue, yellow, and red, in a bowl of milk, and then you have your cotton swab, touch it in the middle. What happened to the colors? What do you think will happen? Okay, so Miss Mac will ask one by one what will happen to the colors to each child. Is it going to mix? The colors are going to mix together or no? What do you think will happen? Okay, so think about it and predict your answer. What's your prediction? For my prediction, so there's going to be this paper. Miss Mac will give you this paper. We're going to write here experiment, milk. Okay, milk experiment. Okay, so yeah, and your prediction. I think that the colors will get mixed if you mixed it with the cotton swab. So I will write the colors will get mixed in the cotton, will get mixed in the milk. Okay, and your result you will check after you've done after you watch the video or after Miss Mac conducted the experiment. You will check whether your result is same as the prediction. Okay, now let's have a look. What are you gonna watch? So the experiment is gonna be about enough milk to a small bowl. You're gonna pour it. Add 1 drop of each color to food coloring to the milk. You have red, yellow, green, and blue. Now make sure you put the coloring in the center plate of the milk, and then place a drop of liquid dish soap on the other end of the cotton swab and place the cotton swab back in the middle of the milk. Let's watch a video so you can get a better idea about the experiment. So you need milk, a plate or a bowl, food coloring, a cotton swab, and a teacher. First, pour the milk into the plate. Add 1 each of the coloring in the milk. Now, you see he put the cotton swab with the detergent. Now he's gonna stick it in the coloring in the milk. Let's watch what's gonna happen. My prediction is the colors will get mixed. Let's watch what's the result. Whoa, let's see. That's magic. It doesn't get mixed. That's amazing. Alright. So, what's the result? It doesn't get mixed, right, children? It, in fact, got spread out to the other side. So, in your prediction sheet, you're gonna write the colors did not get mixed. Okay? Good. Now, let's see your prediction. My prediction say it will get mixed, but in fact, the experiment's result is it did not get mixed. So is my prediction same as the result? No, so I'm going to circle this sad face. Alright, so this is what you're going to be doing right now with Miss Mac. She's going to help you with the experiment. She's going to show you the experiment as well. And you are going to fill up your experiment sheet after that. Alright, children? I'll see you. Bye.